is separated into three parts as shown: the outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. The outer ear contains the pinna, the concha, the external acoustic meatus, and the tympanic membrane, also known as the eardrum. When a sound wave travels through the external acoustic meatus, it hits the tympanic membrane and vibrates according to the frequency. When the vibrations then pass through the three ossicles, similar to the domino effect. It receives a vibration from the eardrum, sending a vibration into the malleus, then into the incus, then into the stapes. The stapes then passes the vibrations to the oval window, which is at the base of the cochlea. The cochlea has two sections called the scala tympani and the scala vestibuli. These sections are filled with paralymph, opposed to the last section called scala media, which is filled with endolymph. The chemical difference between these two fluids is important for successful function of the ear. Inside the cochlea, you can also find hair cells. On one hair cell, there is a pair of stereocilia, one long, one short. On the short hair cell, there is a potassium channel, and the long hair cell is mechanically connected to that channel. When movement from sound occurs in the cochlea, the longer stereocilia bends, which then opens up the mechanically gated potassium channels. Since the fluid surrounding the stereocilia is rich in potassium, endolymph, the potassium flows into the hair cell, like so. This influx causes depolarization to the cell, which leads to an opening of the voltage-gated calcium ion channel so that calcium enters the cell, like so. When calcium enters the cell, it triggers a release of neurotransmitters from the hair cell. The neurotransmitters then send signals to the brain via the vestibular cochlear nerve. Now that's a wrap with sound transduction.